Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amanda, and today we're doing day 10 of the NYX Lippie Countdown, the Love Lust Disco series here on my channel. I started this series about 2 years ago on my channel. This is the third year doing it. Just having fun with makeup, doing a look that goes along with each lip color. Today I reached out to you guys on my Instagram to ask if there are any specific colors or looks that you guys wanted me to try out, and I got tons and tons and tons of people saying blues. So today we did a nice blue look. Far from perfect, but we're working on it. If you guys are not subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss me posting multiple videos during the month of December. Also be sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'm posting daily over there as well. I also have another Instagram, Louise YT, which is kind of the extra me that doesn't make it to the feed. When I'm in, it's usually just when I'm in a weird mood, have an ugly picture of myself, things like that. So be sure to go and follow me on there as well. I'm sorry this video is going up a little bit late. I'm filming this and I should be studying for a final that I have later tonight. So I'm filming it and I'm going to edit it and get it up after I get out of my final tonight. So I apologize if there have been some videos going up late. Finals are done this week and I can't wait to get back onto a regular schedule. Without talking any longer, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. But also please just ignore my hands during the whole video. I'm just gonna continue to say that until they're gone. Okay, let's go. Happy day 10, ladies and gents. Today we're going in to day 10. Actually, I already have it out here. Whoops, I cheated. Because I went and asked you guys on Instagram if you had any preferences for the type of eye look that I do for today, because we are working with a neutral lip. Today we have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. So because a lot of these makeup looks have been like pink and kind of neutral, I wanted to reach out to you guys and see if there was something specific you wanted me to do. And we got a lot of blues, so we're gonna be doing a blue look today. Plus this kind of has orangey undertones, so I feel like that's gonna be really pretty. I really like this color actually. So today we're gonna be going in with the James Charles palette just because there's tons of blues in here and I feel like I can really create the look that I want to. Let me know down below if me saying the names of the colors helps you guys out. If you'd rather just see them, if you want me to say them, like let me know. I just want to know what's the most helpful for you guys. I am going to be staying within the colors Hello, Playground, Brother, Cola, and Acapella, most likely. This little blue section right here. I have a few pictures that I pulled up on Pinterest because you guys didn't send in specific makeup looks. Ooh, what was that? No, go back. Like kind of like this, but I don't really know what to do. I feel like the other ones are just gonna be more fun. I'm just gonna like try and do it. Like I'm not even gonna show you the picture. Like we're gonna try our best, okay? Yeah. Also, I don't know what's going on with my nose contour up here. I tried to fix it. It's not working. I'm really sorry. I should have cleaned my brushes last night. I'm gonna start by going in with Canvas just for like a transition shade, really light brown. Putting this all over the lid. I'm scared. First I'm gonna be going in with Playground. I'm taking this on my JH37 brush, and I'm going to kind of just be doing this in my crease area. Trying not to go down onto the lid at all for right now anyway. I'm wondering if I should have used that transition. I'm like thinking maybe not. Bringing this up onto my brow bone kind of. I'm trying to keep it in like a very like circular shape, kind of like a little rainbow. keeping this other brush nearby just so I can keep going back and blending out. It was that. Now that we look psychotic, we know that we're doing it right. Next, I'm gonna go in on a smaller brush, and I'm going into Brother on my Sigma E39 Buff and Blend, and I'm trying to keep this at like right in the crease, like not bringing it up onto my brow bone at all. I'm also gonna, I'm gonna try and bring this one in on my lid. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna kind of be doing like kind of like a cut crease halo eye type thing. So I'm gonna bring this dark blue on like the very outer and inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna go in the inner corner with a smaller brush. Now I'm gonna be going in with Cola, just very lightly on my JH40 brush into the very outer corners. Kind of up into my crease here. Okie dokie. So now what we're going to do, I'm nervous about. I was thinking about this last night. And I'm wondering if I could like do like a line with like white liner. Is that like cheating for like a cut crease? I don't know. But I feel like this time it wouldn't work that great. So maybe we won't do that this time. Okay, here's what we're gonna attempt to do first. And maybe I'll regret this. I'm gonna go in with Hello on a very, very, very tiny brush. This is the JH42. And I'm just going to, oh my gosh, okay. Put this in the center of my lid. What is happening? I don't know why this won't focus. gonna try something different on this eye and see how it works. I'm gonna go in with a concealer on my Daydream Alter Ego palette and try and do kind of like the cut crease or like kind of halo eye thing. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Am muy frustrated. I'm gonna go in with Hello. Okay, so the product shows up much brighter when I do this, but I'm also still not getting the look that I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and kind of bring all of these colors together underneath my lash line. So first I'm going to go in with Playground. Next, I'm going to take on the same brush, I'm just using this JH40 brush, the smallest brush. I'm bringing Brother underneath the outer part of my lash line, kind of halfway in. And then I'm going in with Cola and bringing this just on the very outer part. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some lashes and mascara. I will come back to show you guys the finished look. Hopefully I'm less scary looking. I just realized I filmed this entire video with my light on in my room and I don't usually do that, so it's very orangey. I don't think it's been like that the whole time, but I just realized that. So I really hope it hasn't been. And if it has, I apologize. I'll try and fix it. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be the final look. It definitely could use some improvement, but like I also think it could have been much worse. Trying to not be too hard on myself. I'm like wondering, now that I'm thinking about it, I know I did a blue eye last year recreating Snatched by Jake's look. I'm like, was it very similar to this? I feel like it might have been. Watch, it's gonna be like the exact same thing. It's very similar, very similar. Maybe we'll try it again next year. Also, I almost forgot to mention, I had to throw on my Olivia Summersill merch to match this one. Good things ahead, AKA the end of finals and the end of this semester. God bless. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. I can't believe how orange this is right now. I'm gonna need to fix this, but like I'll put in a clip so you can see how bad it is, and I'll try and like color tone it so it's like not as atrocious. It's so bad. Oh my gosh. If you guys are not subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss when I post a video. I'm posting multiple times a day during the month of December, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I post a bunch on there. I'm posting every day this December and hopefully more into the new year. My goal for the new year is to post more than I do, so we'll make it happen. Also, if you guys are not part of my lovely little fam already on Facebook, be sure to go join Amanda's lovely little fam. It's a secret group. Be sure to answer the questions, so I'm sure to accept you. And follow me on Twitter as well. I tweet back and retweet you guys all the time. A lot of fun over there. Thank you again so much for watching. I love you guys endlessly, and until tomorrow, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye. Ignore the hand.